It's Tuesday evening, and you've been staring at the same blank doc for 2 hours, feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. You know you need to get started, but you're not sure where to begin. That's when you realize that using Perplexity AI can cut research time nearly in half. Welcome to another Klug video. Today, we're going to talk about how to use Perplexity AI to save time and increase productivity. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Perplexity AI to streamline your research process and get more done in less time. We've tested Perplexity AI and other AI tools, and we're excited to share our findings with you. Section 1. The research struggle is real. You're not alone in your research struggles. Many entrepreneurs, freelancers, and professionals spend too much time on research, only to find that they're not getting the results they need. Perplexity AI processed 780 million queries in May 2025, according to CEO Aravind Srinivas at Bloomberg's Tech Summit, and that number has climbed past 1.2 billion monthly queries by mid-2026. Spending too much time on research can lead to burnout, decreased productivity, and a lack of focus on high-priority tasks. Difficulty finding trustworthy sources is another common pain point, and it can lead to inaccurate information and a lack of credibility. Using Perplexity AI can help you overcome these challenges and achieve your goals more efficiently. By leveraging AI-powered research tools, you can save time, increase productivity, and make more money. Section 2. Discovering Perplexity. AI Perplexity. AI is an AI-powered research tool that can help you generate outlines, gather verified sources, and draft initial code snippets. With Perplexity AI, you can say goodbye to hours of tedious research and hello to more free time and increased productivity. The tool is free to use, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and professionals on a budget. Perplexity AI uses natural language processing to understand your research needs and provide relevant results. You can use Perplexity AI to find relevant statistics, examples, and counterarguments for writing assistance. The tool is constantly learning and improving, so you can expect more accurate results over time. Section 3. Using Perplexity AI for research. To get started with Perplexity AI, simply sign up for a free account and start exploring the tool's features. You can use Perplexity AI to generate outlines, gather verified sources, and draft initial code snippets. The tool is easy to use, and you can start seeing results right away. Perplexity AI can help you save time and increase productivity by automating tedious research tasks. You can use the tool to find relevant statistics, examples, and counterarguments for writing assistance. By leveraging Perplexity AI, you can focus on high-priority tasks and achieve your goals more efficiently. Section 4. Optimizing content for Perplexity AI. To get the most out of Perplexity AI, you need to optimize your content for the tool. This means using formats like answer capsules, comparison tables, and numbered steps. By optimizing your content, you can help Perplexity AI understand your research needs and provide more accurate results. You can also use Perplexity AI to find relevant statistics, examples, and counter-arguments for writing assistance. The tool can help you generate high-quality content that engages your audience and sets you apart from the competition. By leveraging Perplexity AI, you can take your content to the next level and achieve your goals more efficiently. Section 5. The Power of Perplexity. AI Perplexity. AI has processed over 1.2 billion monthly queries, making it a powerful tool for research and writing assistance. The tool is constantly learning and improving, so you can expect more accurate results over time. By leveraging Perplexity AI, you can save time, increase productivity, and make more money. You can use the tool to find relevant statistics, examples, and counterarguments for writing assistance. Perplexity AI can help you generate high-quality content that engages your audience and sets you apart from the competition. The tool is free to use, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and professionals on a budget. You started with a research struggle, feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. You discovered Perplexity AI and learned how to use it for research and writing assistance. Now, you can leverage Perplexity AI to save time, increase productivity, and make more money. By using Perplexity AI, you can achieve your goals more efficiently and take your business to the next level. If this saved you time or gave you an edge, subscribe to Klug. We post AI productivity content every week. Hit the like button if you learned something valuable today. What's your favorite way to use Perplexity AI for research and writing assistance? Share your tips in the comments below.